Here we are, another 2-minute Tuesday, and he's actually putting a timer on, so this is a bit daunting. We're gonna do one of my favorites, and I know it's one of your favorites. It's been requested, bruschetta. Very quick, very easy. Chop your things, you put them in a bowl, let it marinate a little bit, toast it up. So good to go. Ingredients listed below. Are we putting the timer on now?
You tell me.
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, we've got some sliced French bread. I have a pan, it's hot with a little bit of olive oil. We're just gonna give that a quick toast. Give me a little note to remind her that that's in there. We have a bowl. First things we're gonna do a little bit of our onion. Good. We're gonna put some balsamic vinegar on that so they can kind of decrease their flavor a little bit. Good, I should get a spoon. Okay, there we go. When they're in the vinegar, they're not gonna be as harsh. Into that, we're putting some pepper, your tomato, basil. Lots of basil. This is a sweet basil, not a Thai basil. Sweet basil, you don't have as much of that licorice flavor. Give that all a stir so it can marinate. Olive oil. Drizzle it. Oh, the thing came out of it. We're gonna keep going. Jordan, don't stop me. Just put more tomatoes and stuff in it. Look, beautiful. There you go. You can't even tell. Actually, that's pretty good. Okay, bread. Flip it. Okay, we're good there. Basil, onion. Get some lemon zest in there. Oh my God. Not too much, just enough. You can do a feta or a Parmesan. I like Parmesan because it's not as bold in flavor, just nice and gentle. Give that another stir. Of course, salt and pepper. Okay. Garlic, holy smokes. But here we are. You can use roasted garlic if you don't like as much of a garlic flavor. 30 minutes at a 350 oven in tin foil and olive oil. Okay, bread. This is super easy to do. You can also make a nice chicken topped with bruschetta, very good. This is basically, you could have a salad if you wanted it, whatever. It's a very good thing to just have in your fridge. Very healthy for you. Lots of vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin, have a great time. Okay, there we go. Is that 2 minutes?
For sure.
Well, we'll see. Oh, goodness me, what's happening? 2-minute Tuesday bruschetta. Thanks for watching A Takeaway Tuesday. Everything in 2 minutes. You never know what's gonna happen. We'll see you next Tuesday. Okay, I want you to go. Where did that thing go? It tastes like summer.